Hi everyone. I know cryptocurrency is one of the hottest trading instruments right now. A lot of people want to get into it but don't know how to profit from it. So in today's video, I'm going to break down one of my investing system that I turned $6,000 into $36,000, which is 500% return in 3 months time. This system can use it for cryptocurrency, also stock market. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. I'm a full-time professional trader. I used to work as a commercial director in a forex broker and traded over £168 million worth of trading contract. My goal for the channel is to simplify the financial market so more people can profit from it. If any of the topic interests you, I would personally like to invite you to subscribe and join our community. Thank you. There's only one way to profit from investing crypto and stock market, which is buy low, sell high. So in this video, we'll show you how to use technical analysis to define what is buy low and sell high. Before you learn this simple investing system, you should have a good understanding of technical analysis. If any of the condition you're not sure, you should go back to the previous module of our Simple Trader program. Simple Trader program is tailor-made for beginners, so you can learn all the technical analysis step by step. And one day you can become elite traders like us. Simple investing system is a highly profitable technical investing system and requires some simple conditions. Some conditions are compulsory and some conditions are selective. First three conditions are compulsory. First, you must use a weekly time frame, as investing is for longer term purpose. Second, do you have a change of trend? This is compulsory. Without a change of trend, then the low may not be formed yet. Third, are you buying at the next potential weekly high or low? As we mentioned earlier of the video, the only way of making money from investing is to buy low and sell high. So we must buy at the next potential weekly high or low. So I'm going to show you how I turned $6,000 into $36,000 in 3 months time trading a coin called IOTA. It is very important to use weekly time frame because daily time frame can be very noisy and cryptocurrency does move very violently. Let me demonstrate that on the chart. So first and foremost, the first condition that we are using are the weekly time frame. So you can see we are using the weekly time frame. I'm using a platform called TradingView. It's a free platform, so you can use it to check all kind of instrument. Okay, so now we got the weekly time frame set. It looks a lot neater. Let me show you. If I change it to a daily time frame, you can see it looks like it volatile a lot more compared to a weekly time frame. So I only use daily when I try to enter a trade, but overall direction is very important that you use weekly because bigger time frame provide you the direction. Okay, so that's the first condition. You must use the weekly time frame for this simple investing system. Second condition, do we have a change of trend? Again, it is very important that you can identify the trend direction of the instrument. Okay, this you can learn that from our Simple Trader program, how to identify a trend. So I'm not going to spend too much time on it today. I'll quickly show you what is the change of trend. How do you do it is to define where are the highs and low. What I marked is the lower high. So price continue to make lower high, lower high. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Price on the 10th of August has broken the previous lower high, and that is the condition for a change of trend. Okay, If you're not familiar with this, you can go back to our Simple Trader program. We have a module called How to Identify a Trend. Then you should know why this is a change of trend, because it's broken the previous lower high. So now we have the first two conditions. Third condition, are we buying at the next potential higher low? No, we're not. Currently, this move here is what we call a phase 1. So while the price is on a weekly phase 1, what we need to do is anticipate where the potential weekly higher low could be. So how we anticipate the next weekly higher low potentially will form, we like to use support and resistance. This trend line is significant, okay, so it's broken through. The purple box area also was the last sort of support interaction area turned into resistance. So I like to see price come back to this area around the 0.24 area and then start buying my first investment. Now we have the compulsory condition out of the way. So the final condition are selective. The more condition you can find from the trade, the higher winning probability will be. I shall demonstrate how the condition works now. I've predefined where the potential higher low going to be. Let's see if price come to the area. Already you can see from October time, price are interacting in here. So let's play a little bit more. You can see in November, still basing up in here. So if you drop down to the daily time frame, you can clearly see it's basing up around this area. Therefore, I was accumulating my order in this area. Now let's talk about the fourth condition. Is price above or interacting with the weekly 20 EMAs? 20 EMA is the blue wiggly line through here. You can see price already above and interacting with that. I like that because it shows you the momentum now is in the favor of buyers. When it's above, it's kind of changing. If you see that, previously when price is under the 20 EMAs, it's bearish. Now it's the first sign of the bullish momentum could kick in. So I like to get in early. Fifth condition, is price interacting with the support and resistance area? Of course it is. As we mentioned, this is the area that we predefined with the purple box and also above the trend line that we draw. So it is met the condition. Now let's talk about the final condition, dollar cost averaging, which is very important. Although this trade meets most of the condition, we still will never know 100% for sure this is going to work or not. Therefore, I invested 50% of my allocated amount, which is $3,000 first, and then I invested the final $3,000 when the price made the next daily higher low. Again, I'll demonstrate that on the chart. Okay, so my first order was at 0.23, so 23 cents around this area. That's my first order, which I invested of 3,000. And then the next one that I need to do is I need to see price come here, stay above here, and that will be my second order. Okay, so let's play a little video and see would price go there. As you can see now in early 2021 around January time, price already stay above, breaking the previous high. So I enter my second position, another $3,000. The idea was the first order was 23 cents. The second order was about 40 cents. Therefore, I'm getting an average around the 30-cent mark, which is quite a safe position for me. as you can see, price continue to break higher, and I have closed off my trade around the 1.48 area. Yes, price did go up higher, but that's okay anyway. Sometimes I can't make all the money in the world. Price did go up to 2.6, but I did close mine around this area, which is 19th of February. I closed up my trade. That makes about 500% return. So this is a complete breakdown of how I turned $6,000 into $36,000 from this simple investing system. If you still do not fully understand, don't worry. We have built the best program for beginners to learn how to profit from the financial market. We have broken it down step by step on technical analysis into simple profitable trading system. Once you become a member, you can learn all of this at the comfort of your home. We also set up a supportive community which we will share our market insight. You can also follow our trade so you can earn while you learn. We are offering to join our community for free for a short period of time, which I think you should check it out. I'll drop the link below, or you can check the link from our bio. Anyway, if you have any question, drop us a comment. Otherwise, happy trading, happy investing. Thank you.